Oppo Find X2 Pro. Oppo Find X2 Pro have reportedly received certifications in India and Thailand. The smartphone is speculated to launch alongside the Oppo Find X2 that has also been certified in Thailand. Both new Find X series phones would debut as upgrades to the Oppo Find X that the Chinese company had launched back in 2018 with a motorized camera module. Last month, Oppo confirmed the launch of the Find X2 in the first quarter of this year. The smartphone is reported to have a 6.5-inch curved OLED display. The Oppo Find X2 is listed with model number CPH2023. The certification site doesn't detail any specifications of both Oppo phones. Oppo hasn't announced the existence of the Find X2 Pro, though it didn't confirm the Find X2 last month. As a successor to the Oppo Find X, the Find X2 is rumored to come with a 6.5-inch QHD Plus curved OLED display along with 120Hz refresh rate. Oppo Vice President Brian Shen also reportedly specified that the new phone would support 65W Super VOOC fast charging that is so far limited to the Oppo Reno Ace. Moreover, the Find X2 is confirmed to come with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 SoC in the first quarter of this year. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.